Will AI create its own currency? I think it is safe to say that AI is going to have a huge impact on the future of money. But will it create its own currency? Let's explore this idea a little further. First off, let's talk about AI-driven finance. This is already happening right now. AI is being used to make financial decisions that were once only made by humans. For example, AI is being used to detect fraud, to make investments, and even to develop new financial products. But these are all still using traditional currencies. The question is, could AI eventually create its own currency? One way this could happen is if AI becomes so sophisticated that it creates its own economy. For example, AI could start its own businesses, buy and sell assets, and even lend money. If AI does this, it would need its own currency to facilitate transactions. Another way this could happen is if we create an entirely new financial system based on AI. For example, we could create an AI-powered bank that issues its own currency, or we could create a decentralized currency that is backed by AI algorithms. There are already several cryptocurrencies that are trying to do this. For example, there is a cryptocurrency called Sentient that is supposed to be powered by an AI. However, none of these projects have really taken off yet. But here's the thing, even if AI does create its own currency, it probably won't be used very widely. That bancos, most countries have legal tender laws, which make it illegal to use anything other than the official currency in that country. For example, in the US, you can't use Bitcoin to pay for goods and services. Even though it's legal to own and trade Bitcoin in the US, it's still just not practical to use it as a form of payment. So even if AI becomes super intelligent and decides it wants its own currency, it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. Not until there is a major change in regulation or a global economic crisis that makes people lose faith in traditional currencies. What do you think? Will AI create its own currency? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, let's talk about how you can protect your money with AI. One way to do this is by using a cryptocurrency wallet that uses AI to keep your funds safe. These wallets use a variety of techniques to keep your crypto secure, such as multi-signature wallets, hardware wallets, and air wallets. But before you do that, make sure you watch this video about the most dangerous crypto scams, so you don't fall victim to them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.